This brand new Typhon MEGA's body is about to get the ultimate bash-proof upgrade. Today I'm reinforcing the entire shell with shoe glue and drywall tape so it can survive huge jumps, crashes, and cartwheels. Let's make this thing indestructible. As you can see, everything that you will need to do this is shoe glue, drywall tape, scissors, gloves, and the Typhon body. This mod is cheap, easy, and honestly one of the best upgrades you can do for any basher. First, clean the inside of the body so that the glue sticks properly. Dirt or dust can make the shoe glue peel up later. This body comes with stickers on the inside to protect the paint, but when using shoe glue you want to peel the stickers off. If there's some sticky residue, don't worry about that because you'll be throwing tape on it anyway. So a little bit of prep work will go a long way in making this process a lot easier. Ideally, what you will want to do is cut small strips about the length of each piece so that you have a smooth surface and small pieces of tape to put on the shoe glue. Now you want to start gloving up. After shoe gluing a couple bodies, I've decided that it's easier to shoe glue with one finger and apply tape with the other, so I'm only going to put a glove on one hand. Before you get started, you want to remove these 4 screws so you can shoe glue all parts of the body. Put those to the side, save them for later. These screws are 2 millimeters. Now you want to add a thin layer of shoe glue along all parts of the body. You just have to be careful around these screw holes that you took out. Those pieces of plastic need to go right back where they were. If you put too much shoe glue there, your body mounts will not fit properly. I'm going to spread a thin layer across these side pieces. From here, when you do one piece with glue evenly and thinly layered on there, you want to start getting your thin cut pieces of drywall tape, lining it up on here, and pressing it into the shoe glue. Little taps is all you need. Make sure you get it into the crease that the body is made with. And just continue this process. When you get to a corner like this, just trim the piece of drywall tape into the rough shape of the body so that there is no tape over the edge of the body. The shoe glue prevents cracks and reinforces the body, absorbing impacts like rubber. The drywall tape is like rebar in concrete. It stiffens the body and prevents small cracks. Like I've done here, I have one section all the way across that has a full layer of shoe goo and a evenly flush layer of tape over it. Once you have this done, you want to take a little bit more shoe goo and rub it across, especially the bent parts of the body where it might peel up, and just dab it on there or slide it across. Alright, now that you've done that, just move on to a different section and keep it going. Then once again, when you have a good amount glued, a good portion, just continue to tape. Alright, so now that you have another layer on, just like before, take a little bit more shoe goo and do another thin layer across the whole thing, especially in all of the creases and bends. Now that you have gone around both sides, trying to avoid the body holes, you want to avoid the entire front section altogether, because this is a very complicated system and you do not want to mess that up. The last thing you want to do is go along the middle. I'm just going to avoid these notches right here because it's just too curvy, and I'm going to shoe goo all of this and tape this, but I'm only shoe gooing this part. Another good tip to get the shoe goo out of the bottle is take a wooden block and just push it down with your body weight. Alright, so now that you have the entire body covered in shoe goo and drywall tape, just go over all of the tape one last time with a thin layer of shoe goo to make sure it's all perfect and level with the rest of the body. Alright guys, it's as easy as that. We used the entire bottle of shoe goo and we're done. Just gotta wait at least 24 hours for it to completely dry, and then you can go trim the extra tape off of your body and go ahead and get to bashing. The only other thing that I could think of to protect your body is to drill a little hole at the top to put a skid plate on. You can either use a skid plate or a little bolt with a nut on the back from under the body so that the body rubs on something else so that it doesn't scratch the paint. If you were to do that, one on each corner and one on the top would do just fine. Thank you for watching. If this helped, drop a like, drop a comment with any questions, and hit the subscribe button for more tutorial videos.
Once again.